Imagine looking in the mirror one day and realizing that your eyes, the ones you've had for as long as you can remember, have changed color. Sound like science fiction? Well, it's not. The change in eye color is a real phenomenon that some people experience without realizing it. It can happen so gradually that you barely notice it, or it can be an obvious change that leaves you wondering what is happening. How is it possible that something as defining as the color of your eyes can transform over time? Today, we tell you how and why this can happen. The color of our eyes is mainly determined by the amount and distribution of melanin in the iris. This is the same substance that gives color to our skin and hair, but like other aspects of our body, eye color is not immutable. In fact, there are many reasons why the color of our eyes can change throughout our lives. Some people notice a gradual change with age. Babies, for example, are usually born with blue eyes, because their melanin is not yet fully developed, and then, over the months, the color can darken as this substance increases in the iris. But the most curious thing is that even in adults, the tone can change. Sometimes these changes occur for reasons as simple as the amount of light the eyes receive. Natural or artificial light can make the eyes appear a brighter or even slightly different color. Additionally, hormonal changes, such as those that occur during puberty, pregnancy, or even menopause, can also have an impact on the color of the iris. And not only that, a person's emotional state can also influence. Have you ever been told that your eyes look brighter when you're happy or darker when you're sad? This isn't just a poetic metaphor, there's a scientific basis behind it. The dilation of the pupils in response to different emotions can affect the perception of iris color, making it appear more or less intense. Did you know that eye color can seem more intense, or even change slightly depending on the clothes you wear? This is because of how light interacts with the pigments and blood vessels in the iris. Certain colors of clothing reflect light towards your eyes, so that different shades of the iris highlight, making them appear to change. Green, blue, or even gray tones can look accentuated depending on the colors you use around you. In some cases, the change in eye color is much more evident and is not limited only to hormonal or environmental factors. There are certain medical conditions that can significantly transform the color of your eyes. For example, glaucoma, a disease that affects eye pressure, can cause the eyes to become grayer. In addition, certain medications used to treat this condition may have a side effect that causes changes in the pigmentation of the iris. There are even rare conditions such as Horner syndrome or heterochromia, which result in unusual eye colors or visible changes over time. Heterochromia is an especially fascinating phenomenon, where a person has two eyes of different colors, or where a single eye has sectors of different colors. This condition can be congenital or develop due to trauma or disease. Each eye can tell a unique story reflecting genetics, health, and even life events that have influenced its appearance. The most amazing thing is that every time we look into our eyes in the mirror, they could be telling a story that goes far beyond simple genetic inheritance. It could be the story of our age, our experiences, our mood, or even our health. Our eyes are not only a window to the soul, as the saying goes, but also a window to the constant change that our body experiences. So the next time you notice a slight change in your eye color, don't overlook it. Remember that you are looking at something much deeper than simple pigments. You are seeing a living narrative, a reflection of everything you are and how your body is evolving day by day.